Hello dreamers! For this video, I will share to you the breakdown of my expenses that will possibly help you prepare as you work on applying and coming here in the United States of America. This will be a short video and direct to the point. I will be using US dollars and then convert it to Philippine pesos at 57. Philippine passport is $16.67. Transcript of record is at $2.63. That was for my master's because I needed a new one stating that the purpose is for abroad. Foreign credential evaluation at spantran.com, course by course analysis. $190. Certificate of Good Standing from PRC, that's $2.63. And Certificate of Board Rating, $2.63. The J1 Visa sponsorship under Alliance Abroad Group was $3,300. I-901 fee or the SEBIS fee is $228. Embassy appointment for visa interview is $160. The passport and DS-2019 delivery through LBC is $7. The plane ticket from Davao to Manila and Manila to Davao is $61.5. Hotel stay for 3 days and 2 nights was $95.42. The CFO sticker was 30 pesos. Plane ticket from Davao to USA was $915, and the allowance for my first month in the United States of America was $2,500. The total amount for that is $7,481.48 or $426,474.36. It does not include the pocket money for all the travels in processing my documents. At hindi pa kasali ang mga groceries at personal items na dinala ko sa Amerika. Do not worry, hindi ko kinailangan na bayaran lahat yan at once. As the process continues, doon ka lang naman gagastos. Just be sure na kung wala ka pang pondo, ay alam mo na kung saan ka kukuha ng pera kapag andyan na ang job offer. Make sure na may mapagkukunan ka ng pera kasi sayang naman ang chance. My advice, kung kakailanganin mo ng pera for your plane ticket at allowance sa Amerika, humiram ka sa kaibigan or kakilala mo may pera na posible magpahiram at magtiwala sa iyo. Basta, higa ng advice ko. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!